what is the, how you call that, nutmeg? Come. Hi guys, today we heading to the beach. Nous allons na plage là.
I like my beach.
And then
That's the first time in the beach for Sky.
It's not the first time for Sky.
So this year?
Yeah, for this year. Yeah. I did call you a liar. So yeah, so today is my birthday. So there is nowhere to go. See?
Yeah.
Now we're at the beach. Sky,
Huh? I like my beach.
put your mask on.
Come on.
Ooh, looks so nice.
Es de tu agua, Sky. ¿Cómo sientes que estar afuera, Sky? Mira la agua, Sky.
Wow.
So beautiful. You get my face in there.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
This way, Sky. Let's go, Sky. Don't be scared, mami. No tengas miedito.
You got it. Yay.
Wow.
Here is Shoudeline. Today is her birthday. Mira el agua, Sky. So beautiful. These people is not in quarantine. We get it on the beach. You see the birds flying. Look, Sky, the agua is so pretty. Wait. Want to go swimming?
She always wants to go swimming. Always.
The water is cold, mommy. Look, some boats over there, really full. Huh? Oh man, this water is so beautiful, Scott. Let me see that dark stuff. That dark stuff is bait. Happy birthday, Shoudeline.
Thank you.
Take the mask off. Sky,
Hi.
¿qué estás haciendo?
I'm playing with sand.
Look, this is a little...
I want to go swimming.
You wanna go swimming?
I want the beach.
You see, guys? It's so pretty. And that's not even where I live. I live in Norwalk and this is Westport. See? You got it, Sky?
Shoudeline trying to catch in a fish, Sky.
Sky, look.
Be careful, that thing is sharp.
Bad boy, guys. He's working fishing. That's what happens when you are married to an addicted fishing man. Yep. Et puis il dit comme ça la venir le papa le pêcher poisson. Oh, I promise I will not fish. Look, he's fishing. That little girl keep throwing rocks in that water. Sky, you like that? Little boy wash not blower. You like that? Go. Look. Let's follow your puppy. Come on. Okay, I'm leaving. Adios. Bye. See ya. Bye. Sky, don't get wet, mommy. Don't get wet. Okay, bye. Adios. Bye. 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 Look what they're doing. Look. Oh my God, they are crazy.
These are wet.
What is he doing? What are you doing?
I'm getting you a wish flower.
You getting me?
You make a wish and you blow it.
I never have one before.
You will this time. Yeah. Come on, hold on. Wait.
Okay. Hold on. Stop.
Come on.
Stop. Okay. That's so nice.
I'm supposed to.
We want to go in Walmart, but we can't. Look where the line start. You guys see? OMG.
Probably like 150 people waiting to get in one. That's your friend over there.
As you guys can see, we are back home. So nous la caille, nous pouvons goûter gato en cognac. Merci dame ça pour chanter happy birthday. So nous pouvons goûter gato en pour nous comme qui gain. So stay tuned, okay? Bye.
Happy
Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, dear Shoudeline.
Sing for me, Sky.
Birthday to you.
Thank you.
Come on, make a wish.
Um.
Go ahead, you don't have to make a wish.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna be tasting the cake, okay? To see how it tastes like.
Come on, Sky,
Okay,
you do
Sky.
it.
Okay, you.
You too. Go ahead. You see, you
Mass.
Go ahead.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Just open
Yeah.
it. One knife is enough for the cake.
No, it's not. That's a bread knife. Oh, I don't have fork like that. That doesn't look too bad. Look.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna taste it first?
You are the birthday one.
Get it for. Oh my God.
I want more cake for me.
You want cake? I don't know how it tastes, guys.
Yes, you taste the cream or no?
It's not bad. It's good.
Really?
Mhm.
Taste it.
But it tastes like pepper. Sit down because I don't think they can see you. Sit down.
Mm-hmm.
It's good or no?
Not bad.
Not bad.
I feel like it can be better. Like, because I can taste the
Yeah.
how you call that, nutmeg.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.
Hey, happy birthday. Looks
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. It was nice, and my birthday, like with that corona thing, we can't do so much. So yeah, we are in quarantine. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment and like. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Adios.
Okay.